This is what we got this morning. 7, 8 of us. It's a lull right now. Incoming tide. How you doing, Bosco? How are you? Catch anything? What are you just fishing today, or you're not catching? Oh, got him. Oh, got him. Yeah, baby. Hey, we got a fish on, baby. Finally. Oh, he's nice too, whatever it is he's holding. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, don't break. I lightened my line. Oh, nice. Oh, right there in the middle. Oh. I think, you think so? Oh, nice, 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 nice.
Oh, yeah, this big.
Is it a jack? Yeah.
Oh, my goodness, sushi. Sushi.
Sushi with a jack, yeah. All right. No, you want him?
Yeah.
You got him. You got him, baby. All right. Hold on. Hey, calm down. Yeah, I want to get that teaser out. It'll flip him over. Watch out. Let's flip him a little bit. There we go. Wow. You got him, Clee.
Okay.
All right, brother. You got him. There's another one out there. It's jack time. Oh my gosh. Oh man, look at this. Another one. Oh man. Oh, boys and girls, there's another brute. Oh wow. Is that what it is? I can't see, but he's pulling like a brick. Oh man. I haven't got an eye on him yet. Holy mackerel, is this guy big? Oh, let's see. I haven't caught a permit yet, but dude is pulling. 2 good jacks so far. He hit like a freight train. He just smashed it. Trying to get an eye on this guy, what it is. It's a jack. Another jack. Holy mackerel. Another one. Man, did he hit it. What way to go. Look at these guys. It is jack time. Look at this. Big, beautiful jack. Woo! It must be a whole school of them in the middle, man. He hit like a freight train, this guy. Look at this. Here we go. 3 jacks this morning. Yeah, buddy. All on a docks jig, these jacks. This is what we're fishing with today. A yellow jig, which is called a pompano jig, and a little teaser fly with a lot of flash. Bite has slowed down. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, got him. Got him. Right in the bottom. Oh, I hope this is a pompano. You don't feel like a jack. I think it is. I'm hoping. Does that count? I think it's a. Yeah, I don't know. No, it's a little jack. I think. What is this? Yeah, a little jack. A little baby jack. What's going on? Little baby jack. He went for the jig this time. Well, guys, we had a wonderful day out there today. Love fishing. We had a great time. This is what I carry with me when we're fishing for pompano and species like that, permit and so forth. A whole bunch of different docks jigs. You see the colors. Using pink little teaser flies. I'm only fishing with a 20-pound braid. I lightened up my braid so I get a good distance. I'm fishing with my Shimano Thunus. I fished exclusively with this 4,000 reel the whole 2 weeks here. My Redbone 8-foot medium light rod. Been working great with a 20-pound mono leader. Just been awesome. Got my little scissors. I carry my belt here with these that have been one of the most fantastic little all stainless and aluminum pliers. I'm going to grease them and clean them up. Made by a company called Bite, B-I-T-E. They're snap ring pliers. They got great teeth on. They cut braids sharp. I've been very impressed with these. Had these for years, and most of the time they're underwater. Get a good pair of waders. You go on the water dry, you come out dry. It's great. It's a great feeling. But it's now 11:30 in the morning. Spent the morning here. Caught a bunch of beautiful jacks. Pompano are coming in late. Only one pomp was caught. It takes a while after the jacks move in for the pompanos to come in. But guys, I hope you're enjoying it. Fishhook, we are complete cooking and outdoor channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And for you guys that are new, smash that subscribe button. Exciting things are on the horizon. We're constantly bringing up new recipes, new places to fish, and just having fun catching fish, just being out in the good old outdoors. So again, until I see you on the next one, take care.